Introducing the DJI Mini 4K, your go-to drone for capturing stunning high-resolution 4K video in the most compact and portable package. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone is as light as an apple, making it incredibly easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. But don't be fooled by its size. This small drone is packed with powerful features that are designed to deliver top-tier performance and professional-grade footage. With up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission, the DJI Mini 4K allows you to explore and capture expansive landscapes or intricate details from a distance with incredible clarity. The enhanced anti-interference capabilities ensure a stable connection, even in challenging environments, so you never miss a moment. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 4K is its 31-minute maximum flight time, giving you ample opportunity to get the perfect shot. Whether you're capturing a sunrise over the mountains or a family gathering in the park, you'll have more than enough time to document every beautiful moment without rushing. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Mini 4K ensures smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions. This gimbal technology provides professional-level stabilization, allowing you to film with confidence, knowing that your shots will remain steady and clear, no matter the conditions. The drone's 12-megapixel camera with a 0.5-inch sensor is designed to capture vibrant, detailed images and videos. The 4K resolution means every detail is preserved, from the intricate patterns of leaves in a forest to the textures of an ancient building. And with the 4x zoom capability, you can easily switch between wide-angle shots and close-ups, adding dynamic variety to your footage. Creativity is at your fingertips with the DJI Mini 4K's intelligent shooting modes. Quick shots like Helix, Droney, and Rocket make it easy to create cinematic shots with just a few taps on your screen. Even if you're a beginner, the DJI Fly app guides you through the process, helping you produce impressive videos that are ready to share on social media in no time. For those who love panoramic views, the DJI Mini 4K offers various panorama modes, including sphere, wide angle, and 180 degrees. These modes allow you to capture the full scope of your surroundings in stunning detail, creating immersive experiences that transport your audience into the scene. Safety and ease of use are top priorities with the DJI Mini 4K. Features like one-tap takeoff and landing, stable hovering, and return-to-home functions make flying a breeze, even for first-time pilots. The drone's combination of GNSS, downward vision, and infrared sensing systems ensures it remains stable in the air, providing you with more confidence as you fly. For added peace of mind, the DJI Mini 4K includes smart return-to-home, low battery return-to-home, and fail-safe return-to-home features, ensuring your drone always returns safely, even in unexpected situations. And let's not forget the DJI Fly app's integration with Lightcut, a smart editing software that recognizes your best aerial footage and automatically creates a polished video with music and effects. This makes it incredibly easy to produce professional-looking videos without spending hours in post-production. To maximize your flying experience, DJI offers a range of accessories for the Mini 4K, including the 360-degree propeller guard for added safety, a 2-way charging hub that can charge up to 3 batteries in sequence, and the DJI Mini Bag Plus, which is perfect for carrying your drone and all its accessories in style. If you're ready to elevate your videography and capture the world from a new perspective, the DJI Mini 4K is the perfect tool for the job. Its combination of portability, power, and ease of use makes it an essential addition to any creator's toolkit. Click the link in the description or the first comment to get your DJI Mini 4K today and start capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Trust us, once you start flying the DJI Mini 4K, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Don't miss out. Grab yours now and see the world in a whole new way.